Good morning, Mike here with Atlas Room Repair. I'll be working on a BMW this morning. This is the wheel I'm doing for free. The other three are quite a bit worse than this one, but we're just going to knock this one out real quick. Going to just grind it out with the conditioning disc, sand it with 320, and then paint and clear coat. Clean it up a little bit first so we don't clear coat over all the dust.